Rolling.
Hey everyone, this is just a thank you video. You know, I had no idea that the feasibility videos that I do would get so much traction. I know it's not 10,000s of views or anything like that, but I'd like to think we've got a pretty niche audience of people trying to set up their businesses. And I'm just letting you know I'm going to keep doing them, right? I'm going to try and do one every week, go into more and more detail. And to demonstrate to you that I'm really trying to help, I've just published 2 free documents, tools that you can use, which I'll put in the link in the description below. One is what I like to call a pre-feasibility validator. So it's just 18 points that you kind of go through if you're thinking about co-working or a building to help check you off. Okay, now it's time to probably look at this in more detail, get financial modeling and plans done. And the other is what I'm particularly proud of, a blueprint methodology for figuring out your product mix and your revenue, right? It's literally me dumping my brain into, if I was looking over your shoulder and you said you've got a certain size space, this is how you should approach desk density, meeting room theory, should you do a cafe or event space, blah, blah, blah. So just helpful material to get you started on your journey. And then, you know, hopefully you keep tuning in to see the feasos that I run. And if you ever want more help, you just have to reach out. So thanks again. You've got this, and I'll speak to you again soon.